I found this website that pays you per tasks you completed. As you can see right here on my screen, this is called Gojelly. How does it work and how do you earn? Okay, Gojelly is Nigerian microtask and freelance marketplace where businesses pay real Nigerians to complete simple digital tasks. So companies need people to grow their social media, like to boost their apps download or get more views or increase website traffic, and pay you to complete this. Okay, this video is for educational purpose only. I'm not a financial advisor or guarantee you any earnings. So what you earn here depends on your consistency. And don't forget to do your own research before investing or joining any platform. Now, let's watch the full video. So how do you earn? First of all, you will sign up for free. Then you browse available tasks and you complete the tasks and drop screenshot if needed. Okay, when you submit your proof, they are going to pay you instantly when the task is approved. Earning range from 50 naira to 500 naira per tasks you completed successful. No skills needed or no experience needed. All you need is your smartphone, your phone number and your internet connection. Now, how are you going to create account? Click on start earning. I will be dropping the link below the video. So when you click the link, it will bring you to this interface. Then you click on start earning for free. Okay, so now you are going to fill in all this information. As you can see, they say free forever, earn from day one, naira payments and no experience needed. Okay, you are going to be withdrawing using your Nigerian bank account. Now you are going to put your first name here as it is on your ID, but I'm going to be using this name, so let me use this name. Let me put my first name here as it is on my ID, right? So let me put my first name, then my last name here, first name, last name, then username. Let me use this as my username. Let me use this as my username. Then you put your email address here. Okay, type in your email address. Then you put your Nigerian phone number here, starting from 8, 7 or 9. You understand? So I'm going to put my number here. Okay, so after putting your phone number, you put your password here. You put strong password here. So I'm going to put my password quickly. Then you confirm the password here. Okay, now then your referral code, this place you are seeing have a referral code. Click on it, then you paste the referral code here. You paste the referral code you copied, just paste this here. Understand? So just paste the referral code like this way, then click on I agree the privacy policy. Click on it, then check if your information is correct. Then if it is correct, then you hit on create free account. So let's wait. This is how you create your account successful. As you can see, you can click on save to save your info. When you sign up successful, you are going to click on do a job, but before that, click on more here. Click on more and scroll down and click on profile. Okay, click on profile. Now you scroll down again and fill in all this information. Put your address, your state, your zip code, then you click on submit. Okay, so let me quickly put my address here. After your address, you put your state. Okay, this actually works for Nigeria. I don't know if it works for other countries. Then you put your zip code here. You put your state zip code, then you put your city here. Then you click on submit. That's all. So yeah, successful. As you can see, my profile is successful. Now click on home. Click on home and come back. So this is how you complete the simple task. Just click on do a job. Click on do a job here. Then let's scroll and know if there is available task. As you can see, they have 71 tasks for you to complete. Understand? Now this is how you do it. This person says you should follow his or her TikTok account to get 5 naira. Slot is 465. So what I would advise you is just to make sure you are logging into this app every day for you to complete the tasks before it fade up. Okay, because as you can see, this one that is 63, just to click and watch ads or click and follow the person, it is just very simple. Understand? So that is how you complete tasks here. For example, now like this one says you should sign up to OPay. If you already have OPay, that means you are not going to complete this particular task. This one that is follow to Twitter, just click on it, follow and get this point. This one is register this website. You click on it, follow the instruction and get it. You understand? So anyone you know you can do, just do it. So let me just show you guys for example. This person said you should follow and get 5 naira. When you click on it this way, click on apply. Okay, then you are going to read the instruction. The person say click on the link below and follow my account. Drop screenshot when done for verification and approve. All you need to do is what? Just come here and click on open link. Okay, this is where you are going to submit the proof. So this is what you are going to do. Also read instruction. They say your screenshot must be clear, show the completed task. So fake or incorrect proof may result in rejection and account restriction. So now this person says you should click the link below and follow the account and screenshot. So this is what you are going to do. Click on open task link. It will take you to this person TikTok account. Then you follow the person account, click on follow. Immediately you follow, you screenshot showing that you have followed. Then you come back here, you just minimize and come back here, click on submit proof and submit it. Within 30 minutes to 1 hour, they are going to approve it. So that is how you complete task here to end. Nothing more again. Nothing more again. And the minimum withdrawal is just 1,000 naira, which you can complete if you take it serious. Just 1,000 naira. If you want to buy airtime, assuming you say you want to buy airtime, just click on buy airtime here. You are going to buy airtime from your balance. Okay, when you click on home, okay, click on home and click on buy airtime. Assuming you want to buy airtime, if you need it to cash, then you leave it to 1,000 or thereabout and withdraw to cash. But if you want to top up your airtime, once you get some money, you can just click on airtime, click on this arrow and choose either MTN, Glo, 9mobile or airtime, anyone. You click on it, then you come down here and put the phone number, either Glo or MTN, anyone. You put the phone number here, then you type the amount you want to recharge. The minimum withdrawal or the minimum you can recharge is 200 naira. Just type in 200 naira here and click on buy airtime and it is going to transfer to your account immediately. So if you want to withdraw to cash, just accumulate up to 1000 naira. Then you click on more here. Then click on withdraw here. Click on withdraw now again. Then as you can see, the minimum withdrawal is just 1000 naira. Okay, then you type in 1000 naira here or above depending on your amount you have and withdraw. Click on confirm withdraw. This is how you set up your payment account. Just click on more here again. Then you scroll down and click on bank account. Okay, then you're going to set up your bank account for withdrawal and payment. Now click on this arrow to type in your bank name. You choose either opay, access bank, just get your account name here. Okay, then you type, maybe if you are using opay, you click opay, type in your opay account number here, then you type in the name here and click on save bank details. So this is how you submit your bank details before you can withdraw. Okay, and imagine you can complete 5 tasks in a day or even 10 tasks in a day. For you to accumulate 1000 naira is not hard. Like I said, it's consistency. And don't forget that many tasks there have many people completing it, so you guys to log in daily and complete the tasks before the slot full. So guys, if you are new to my channel, I am Treasure. What I share on this my channel is all about app tutorials and earning apps where you can earn just with your internet connection with no investment required. So guys, if you have watched to this point, hit the like button, subscribe to this channel and turn on your bell icon for you not to miss my next video. Thank you everyone for watching. See you guys in my next one.